everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds or your headset to your Google Pixel phone. So what we want to do is swipe down from the top right and then go to Bluetooth right here and select this. So I'm going to turn on Bluetooth and then I can just pair a new device right here. So you have that option through the widgets, or we can go to settings, go to connected devices right here, and we can go to pair new device on top. Then just go to your earbuds and we can just open up the case. And most of the time when we take these out, they'll just put them into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And we should see them pop up under here. And these are JBL. Now this is searching for a device to connect to. And this should be searching too under here. Just make sure you have enough battery. If you don't have enough battery, I guess I'm out of luck right there. So I'd have to try a different pair. So you just take them out. And then they should be in the Bluetooth pairing mode. And if it's still not popping up, you might have to exit and then go back into here. And then just refresh the list here. So you can see my LG TV is showing up on here for some reason. So should be very easy. I have the J5 something right there. Not sure if that's my JBL headset or not. So we can just connect this and go to pair. And then you might have to disconnect this from a previous device to get this working too. So if you do have it connected to a different device, just go ahead and look at that. But that's typically how you pair one of these earbuds, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.